Welcome to CADILLAC. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Not seeing any dents or scratches right now at all. Let's continue on. Excellent, everything looks good. Not seeing any scratches at all. You see that maybe there's a chip just right there, but everything else looks fine, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. Excellent. The driver's side looks good. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Passenger side looks good. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Start off with the center console. Not seeing any wear and tear in here. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. Not seeing anything wrong. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.